internet, and welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some easy, simple hairstyles that you can wear year-round for special occasions and things such as that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So for the first hairstyle, all you're going to be needing are just some bobby pins. And basically what you're going to do is have your hair parted on the side. Doesn't matter which side you have your hair parted on, but make it somewhat of a deep part, kind of like what I have here. And what you're going to be doing is putting the bobby pins in the hair, but as a little tip, as you can see with the bobby pin, it has a bumpy side and a flat side, so make sure that you put the bumpy side into the hair. This will also help the bobby pin to get a better grip on the hair, and it also will look better. So you're just going to slide it in. You can just take another one and also put it in as well. And that's basically it. It's a very cute hairstyle and very simple. And it just looks really cool. And all you only need is just a couple bobby pins to accomplish it. Now, for the second hairstyle, I'm also going to be having my hair parted on the side. But I'll be sweeping it all over to one side, so basically like this. And all you're going to need for this hairstyle is just a little hair tie. I'm actually using a clear one today. And you're actually going to be doing a simple braid, which I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial for. So you're simply going to take your hair. You're going to be dividing into 3 equal sections. Like so. And then you're going to take your right strand and cross it under the middle strand. Then you're going to do the same thing on the left. You're going to cross your left strand under your middle strand. And you're going to repeat this going all the way down, where you take your right strand and cross it under your middle strand. And then take your left strand and cross it under the middle strand. We're going to repeat this process, going all the way down. And then once you have it down to the length you want it to be at, just secure it with an elastic. And while this does look cute on its own, there are a couple ways to spice it up. You can always take some hairs for framing around the face, and you can also add a scrunchie to it. I'm going to be using this pink one, and you'll just take it over to the bottom, and then you can just put that on top. And it can just add a little something to the braid. And this is also just a really cute hairstyle. So you can have some face framing hairs which you can just take out. You have a cute, easy braid that you can do. And it's secured off and has a cute little scrunchie. And once again, it's just a really cute hairstyle for just any sort of occasion. Now, for this third hairstyle, all you're going to be needing is a bandana. And I already have this one tied, so I'm going to go ahead and untie it. And basically you're going to have your hair parted just however you choose to. And then you're going to basically take your bandana, grab your hair, and take it out. And then you're simply going to bring the bandana up. And make sure that the bandana kind of goes over your ears, because if it doesn't, then that ends up happening. It just doesn't really look that cool. So you're basically going to figure out where you want it to land. And you're just going to tie it off twice. But make sure that whenever you do tie this, that you don't get any hair stuck in the bandana, because that's just not going to end well. Once more. And then I simply just take these little end pieces, I just flip them around. Making sure I get all the hairs out. And there we go. And you can just put your hair in front. And then you can take these other hairs and you can up a little bit too. And this is also just a really cute hairstyle for just any occasion. Alright, now this fourth and final hairstyle, you've probably seen it somewhere on my Instagram, but it's basically just going to be a little twist down the side. So what you're going to do is, first of all, just part your hair wherever you choose to, preferably on the side, and then just make a side part on either side of the hair. And then you're going to start at the top and grab a small section of hair, and you're just going to begin to twist it. Then as you're twisting it, then you'll just add a section of hair to it. Then you'll just continue on twisting and add another section of hair. And then you're just going to continue this going all the way down. And then once you've gotten to your desired length, twist it just a little bit more. Simply take a bobby pin and then remember the trick of putting the bumpy side underneath. And then we're just going to pin that in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a second one, and I'm going to basically do a cross pattern. So we're going to cross it on top of the first one, so that way I know it's going to stay in place. And there we go. So you just have a little twist that goes down, and it's covered up by the hair. And then you can choose to puff it out if you wish to. And it's also just a really cute hairstyle for any other occasion. Thank you all so much for watching. So have a great night, have a great morning, have a great week, have a great weekend, whatever's going on. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below any other hairstyles or videos you'd like for me to do. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video.